In case you are wondering, the answer is no. I did not wake up like this, and this makeup was not done for the purpose of this video. There is something that I need to share with you guys. I will definitely be sharing it soon, but I just got back from a photo shoot session. This thing that I'm going to be sharing with you, I had to take pictures for it, so I just got back from my session. I did my makeup myself. This is the makeup that I do when I'm going to like church, or I'm going all the way out. So yeah, I did not wake up like this. Pardon me if my voice sounds a little bit froggy. It's because I'm just recovering from sore throat and cough, so that's the reason why you might hear some funny sounds in my voice, but I'm gonna try as much as I can to speak loud enough so that you guys can hear me clearly. I am super duper excited about today's video because as soon as I got back from my photo shoot session, I met this box at my door and I'm like, you know what, let me open it up with my friends. I haven't seen this bag before. I have been seeing it on the Tory Burch website and have been loving it a lot. They have this line, which is the Eleanor line. They also have a line that is similar to this one. Just to say that I love the Fendi Peekaboo bag, but I cannot find any justification for me to spend as much as it costs on it. So this is me trying to fulfill my Fendi Peekaboo love. I tried fulfilling it one time. I got a Coach bag that looks like it, but the downside is the Coach bag has some browns on it. So that's like 2 colors already. When I want to style that bag, I have to consider the fact that it has 2 colors. I am looking for a plain black bag, and that's the reason why I still had to get this one anyways. This one is a bit more expensive than the Coach bag. I'm going to be showing you that Coach bag later, but I just had to get it because again, I wanted that Fendi Peekaboo feel without spending the Fendi Peekaboo money, if that makes any sense. So now you and I are going to be opening this box together to see if I've made a good decision. Before I get started, I'd like to say a very big thank you to my subscribers. Thank you so much, guys, for staying with me. I appreciate you a lot. And if you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on my beautiful face. My name is Buki. I make videos about luxury handbag, about beauty, about fashion, about styling, about solid gold jewelry, and all that. If any of this content are the things that you love, do not hesitate to hit the subscribe button below to join us. And I promise you, you are going to have a lot of fun here. Overall, guys, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It encourages me a lot to keep going, and it also helps me to know the type of videos that you love for me to make more of. So without dragging this intro for too long, guys, like, whoo, I don't know about you, but I cannot wait to get into this box. Like, I cannot wait. Before I open up the box, just looking at the size, I'm hoping I'm not going to be disappointed by the size, because I was hoping for like a medium size bag. I know it's not large. On the website, it says small. When I saw it on the model, it looks like it's at least a medium-sized bag. So I hope it's that medium-sized bag, because I'm not into small bags anymore. I'm into like big bags these days. Let me just open up the box, then we can see together what we have in the box. And here is the bag. I have a thank you note as always. When you buy anything from Tory Burch directly, you always get this special note. We hope you love your order and are thrilled you are part of our community. Tory Burch, I love you guys. So yeah, I have a lot of Tory Burch bags in my collection, and I do not regret it one bit. Their bags are made with quality leather. The craftsmanship is beautiful, superb, and great. The only thing I'm beginning to see these days is the way they are increasing their price. I'm thinking, Tory Burch, like, seriously, you know, you are one of the brands that we have hope that someday we are just gonna rest in you and start wearing all Tory Burch bags. But now the way they are increasing their prices too, I'm like, okay, where exactly are we going? I don't know if you guys have noticed the whole increased saga with luxury fashion houses these days. Like, it is crazy. It is crazy and overwhelming. And so yeah, long story short, it is what it is. I'm not blaming anybody for touching their prices in any way. They have their own company strategy. They have their reason. They have their whys. You know, it's just a matter of, if you can buy it, buy. If you don't want to buy, then buy. Like, they don't, I mean, they don't care. They just would continue to do them. And I believe that should apply to every one of us in life. Do you, and the world will adjust. All right, so let's get into the bag. So it has my receipt. When you're buying from Tory Burch for the first time, please make sure you sign up for the 15% off. I'm just going to put a link to the bag for you guys in the description section below. So opening up the package, ta-da-da, the bag is right here in this plastic. And it kind of, I think is reasonably sized. I think it's reasonably sized. I think it's not bad. Like I said earlier, it's in size small and it's in the color black. They have in color black, and I believe they have in black and ivory. Yeah, the color says ivory on their website, but I prefer black. I want black. So that's why I decided to go for black. So just opening up the package right now. It's a top handle bag. It's the, I mean, by the title you already know, it's the Tory Burch Eleanor bag. And ta-da-da, this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness. Like I said, I'm just seeing this too. This is my first time of seeing this bag. So give me a moment to, you know, soak it in, like taking the feel that I'm getting. The suede is, oh my god. Like, let me come close to the camera so you guys can see. The suede is so nice. This is what the front looks like. I'm gonna be opening this off, obviously. See right there, and that's the Eleanor hardware. I love that Tory Burch hardware over there. And that's the logo they have for their Eleanor. That's the logo they have. That's the logo they have for most of their Eleanor pieces. And the top handle is plain, like so. I'm not gonna be returning it. I am definitely not going to be returning it. I love the size. Like, this is gorgeous. Like, this is gorgeous, guys. Oh my god, I love it a lot. I love it a lot. It's so beautiful. This is so me. This is so me because, you know, if you're a classy babe, you understand what I'm saying. Like, this is so classy and it is so me. I love it a lot. So I'm just taking out the plastic. So I saw somebody unboxing his and he talked about how his own had like scratches on it. I'm looking at mine now. It doesn't have scratches. It only has one teeny scratch, and I'm definitely gonna try to show you what I'm saying. Let me look for it. So the scratch is right here, just a little bit, just a very teeny bit. I hope you can see it. That's just about the tiny whatever that I have on it. Like, it's almost nothing. So yeah, this is what the, okay, let me see. Oh yeah, it has a magnetic closure. So this is how it works. It has a magnetic closure like so. So you can see, yep, and it's really strong. That's awesome. So on the inside, it does have some bags. So I believe, oh yeah, this is the strap actually. It has a detachable strap, which I might not necessarily be using. I don't like using strap on bags like this. It has its own dust bag. As always, if you buy directly from the Tory Burch website, it does come with dust bag. But from the outlets, they don't come with a dust bag, just FYI. And this is what the inside looks like. It's in the color brown on the inside. I love it a lot. Again, this is mostly for me to get my Fendi Peekaboo feel without paying the Fendi Peekaboo price. So yeah, this is what the strap looks like. The strap is not long. When I looked at the description, the strap is not long, which makes sense. You know, this kind of bag will be a kind of bag you probably want to wear like a shoulder bag, you know, and not necessarily a crossbody or anything. So yeah, yes, let me come close to the camera so you guys can see. This is what the strap looks like. Yeah, so this is what the strap looks like. It's not so long like that, but it's fine. Yeah, it's on the third hole. It has 6 holes in total. And yeah, if you want to put the strap on, we'll just, so to put the strap on, we'll hook it up to this part. And then the other part. And you have yourself a shoulder bag. I am 5'7", and this is where the bag gets to on me, like kind of like around my butt area, with the bag on the third hole. Yeah, with the bag on the third hole, it gets to around my butt area. So if I release it all the way to the last hole, it's probably gonna get on my hip. This is the bag. I love it a lot. Oh, I missed something. So on the inside, it has, on the inside it has a purse, like a purse compartment that you can open up like so, and you can access like this, and it's quite spacious. Let me see. This is iPhone 14 Pro Max. No, it does not fit, but you can kind of like fit it in the middle ish, you know. No, not really, I won't do that. So it does not, yeah, an iPhone 14 Pro Max does not fit, but it's quite spacious. Like, it's quite spacious, trust me. Let me get this out of the way so you can see. It's quite spacious. So yeah, that's the space right there, and that's like in the middle. Then it's like a purse that you close up like so before you close up the bag itself. Like I said, this bag screams elegant, and that's why I had to have it. If there's anything that speaks to my personality and I love, I don't play, I just go get it. So if you're someone like me, I think I highly recommend this bag. I hope you are able to get yours before it gets more expensive. If it gets more expensive than this, will I still buy it? The answer is yes, and the reason is because even these other fashion brands that we pay 5,000, 6,000, it's not only about the craftsmanship or the leather they use, it's just about the name. So if Tory Burch decides today that there are bags that looks like this, made with this type of leather, because remember, this one is a mix of suede and leather, if they decide that this bag tomorrow it's gonna be 1,000 and more, then hey, then it's gonna be 1,000 and more, you know. So yeah, it's worth it. It's really, really nice. It is super duper gorgeous. I cannot wait to wear this bag. Like, I cannot wait to wear it. I'm just in love with it. I'm so in love with it. I'm so in love with it. Yeah, if you guys have any additional questions about it, please let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you with the answers. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and that's it right there. You have to be careful though with scratches. I mean, as an elegant babe, what will you be doing that will get scratches on your bag anyway? Do you want to be playing rough with your bag? You still handle your bag with care. You handle it like a lady. You get my point, right? Yeah. So I don't think there is any activity that will warrant you to be scratching your bag. You might get scratches on it, don't get me wrong, but that'll be like much later, after you have used it for a long time, you know. But you just have to wear it carefully, you know, because the leather is, you know, because of the leather, you have to wear it carefully so you don't get too much scratches on it. So yeah, that's that about this one. I love the bag a lot. I don't regret my purchase, and you already see I ripped off everything, you know. I'm not returning it. It's definitely going to be added to my collection. So remember when I said that I got a Coach bag to satisfy that need for the Fendi Peekaboo, but I changed my mind about it because it has two colors. This is the bag right here, and this is what I'm talking about. It has brown on that side, then the front is black. I would have loved if it was just all black, then I probably would not feel the need to still want to get this Tory Burch bag, you know. But I still, you know, I'm just, this is my thing. This is the type of bags that I love these days, you know, structured bags generally. And Fendi Peekaboo is a good one. If you can afford it, please go ahead, try it on, love it, buy it. But if you cannot, I'm just saying, then I mean, I can afford it too. It's just that, like I said, I just don't have like enough, I just don't have a good justification for spending that much on that bag, and that's why I have decided to fulfill my satisfaction with this one. This one I will definitely wear on some days where I can easily rock my black and brown. I will wear on days when I need my plain black effect, you know. This bag is classy, guys. Oof, I just love it. I love it. I love it. So yeah, that's all about this bag, and that's all about today's video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really enjoyed unboxing with you guys. I hope you also enjoyed unboxing with me. Please let me know in the comment section below what you think about today's video, what you think about the bag. If you have additional questions about the bag, please let me know, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. All right, before we see again, guys, I hope you remain blessed, and I wish you peace.